something for you.
Have you ever tried to run away from school?
No, I think he might.
How's it hanging?
I hope the police come. I hate the way people look at me just because I'm tough and cool. I mean, they don't have to be jealous.
Why do I get so nervous around?
I was just looking for one of those.
Hello, can I help you find any...
Ah, yes.
The discount meat expires at midnight.
Get some!
Look at that! Welcome to Yum Yum Market.
Take care.
Hello, you need a haircut
Why is
today,
this
yes?
stuff lying around everywhere?
Be well.
I'll see you around.
Oh, dear.
3 lousy copies.
Another shoplifter. People leave stuff lying around everywhere.
You be safe now.
Hi.
Nothing you can say can upset me. Check this out, sucker!
This place is really getting scary.
I want to go for him, but I'm sure he'll just...
Everyone knows that.
You better use that meat soon. The clerk said it expires at midnight.
Nonsense! There are no fuzzy eaters at Woolworth. It'll last for a month.
I sure hope nobody takes me away today. More people can just educate themselves. My mom won't let me have sugar.
I'm good. What can I say?
After a while, crocodile.
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Ah, greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean 10 bucks.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
Miss Phillips would show me her sketches sometime. Fatty has arrived! Why am I surrounded by morons?
Alright, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
Alright, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, and you kick him in the nuts until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the sheep. If not, we keep.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right there.
Okay, you win. I live for this.
A thin friggin' line.
Oh, I learned to listen. all you got? I can use that.
Till next time.
This is the funnest piece of paper I've ever had. What? You forgot your plus.
I haven't told on anyone yet
I
today.
got you in my sights. I won't stop until you are apprehended. Almost caught. How do you like them? Ha-ha! Walk much? Hey! What's with the unfair fight? Stop that right now!
I'll hang on to that.
Phew! What? Do they always have to run?
Please help us, Jimmy.
Try harder than that.
Are you hurting yet?
Hard out here! Having fun! Oh, so you're gonna start fighting?
People like you, they caught me. Stop doing that to yourself.
That's all you got? This is gonna be a breeze! Did your mom teach you that? Stupid prick! Having fun?
The freedom. Just what I was looking for.
Freedom of flying spaceship? Impossible.
Hi there. Hello. Sorry to your salutations.
Useless sissy!
Why would Mr. Hendrick call
You
me?
lose this?
Oh, please leave me alone.
Oh, come on! There's no such thing as magic, dweeb!
Why do you have to be so mean?
Don't do that!
I'm coming for you! Oh no! I can't stand violence! Get that ogre! Slay him!
What are you gonna try now?
That's what you get for messing with the wrong people!
Not bad.
And don't you
Tell
forget,
Russell.
take that, Nimrod!
I hope Dr. Crabblesnitch doesn't forget. I wonder what everyone is talking about.
You recovered my precious documents! Thank you, sir! You are a noble man indeed! Just give me the money, Melvin. You have earned it! And don't forget about the wenches! Holy moly! Sweet! Another job well done.